way better.
It's a lot more.
Absolutely killed it. Night and day difference. Not even comparable.
It's a lot better.
Boy killed it.
So you guys might be wondering why the video cuts to a time lapse of me struggling to take my bumper off, but it's actually kind of dumb. I bought bumper plugs for the bumper to fill the license plate holes, and the passenger side, the bracket for the threads was broken. So when I went to pop the plug in, the bracket fell behind the bumper, so unfortunately I had to take the whole bumper off, fix the bracket behind it just to be able to put the bumper plug in. A little annoying, but you know, it's the life we chose. Shout out my dad for helping me put the bumper on. I was kind of struggling, got a little frustrated. You know, you live. But that's going to be it. Sorry for the short video today. Sorry for the crooked footage. But hope you guys enjoyed. And just remember, God is good, always. Peace.